So in our today's video we are going to discuss the nomenclature of haloalkane. Okay, so before going to start, we will know first what is the structure to find out the nomenclature. So there are two types of name. One is IUPAC name. Okay, in short we can write it as IN, and another one is common name. Okay, so we can write it like this way, the simple shortcut way. So the IUPAC name structure is haloalkane. Okay, what it is? Haloalkane. Halogen part comes first and then alkane part. And in common name structure, it is alkyl halide. Okay, so in case of common name, the alkane part comes first, then halogen. Now let's take an example. The first example, suppose CH3 CH2 then Cl, CH3 CH2 Cl. Now you can see here the halogen part is chlorine and the alkane part is this. Okay, now in this alkane part you can see two carbon atoms are there. If you give the number on the carbon atoms, 1 2. Now you just say this is a normal linear chain and the chlorine atom is added to the first carbon atom. Okay, so the common name of this compound is, first will come the alkyl part, that is this part. Here two carbon atoms and single bond, that means this is actually ethyl. Okay, so ethyl, then halide portion, here it is chlorine, so ethyl chloride. This is the common name. Now come the IUPAC name. So for IUPAC name, first will come the halogen part. So see here the chlorine is the halogen, so chloro. Again see the chlorine is added to the first carbon atom, so 1 chloro ethane. Now in case of common name, you just remember this is a normal chain, so you can also write here N ethyl chloride. N means normal. Okay, now move to the second example. Suppose CH3 CH2 CH2 Cl. So here this is again a normal chain. Okay, this is the halogen part, this is the alkane part. So give the number 1 2 3. See, I have started doing the numbering from right hand side, not from the left hand side. Why? Because in the right hand side you can see one extra group is present. Okay, in this side no functional group is present, but here one functional group is present. So if we start giving the number from the right hand side, then we can easily reach to the functional group first. Okay, if we start numbering from the left hand side, then 1 2 3, the functional group will be added to the third carbon atom. But if we start from the right hand side, 1 2 3, then the functional group will be added to the first carbon atom. So we have to consider that numbering process where the functional group will come first. So this is the correct way to give the number on the alkane chain. Now let's find out the common name first. This is a normal chain, so N. How many carbon atoms? 3. So propyl, halogen is chloride, so N propyl chloride. Okay, now next again IUPAC name. So for IUPAC name, you just say again the chlorine halogen group is added to the first carbon atom, so 1 chloro. How many carbon atoms are here? 3, so 1 chloropropane. I hope up to this much is clear. Now move to the third example. CH3 CHCl CH3. You can also write this structure like this way. Okay, both are same. Now you have to find out the name of this compound. Now see, if you start giving the number on the alkane chain, then it is 1, 2, 3. Total 3 carbon atoms. Halogen group is added to the second carbon atom. Will be the IUPAC name here. The IUPAC name will be first halogen part 2 chloro, then propane. Okay, 2 chloropropane. This is the IUPAC name. Now come to the common name. The common name, what is the common name formula we have seen here? Alkyl halide, right? So here the common name formula will be, alkyl portion will come first, that is propyl, 3 carbon propane, so here alkyl, so propyl, then halide means here chlorine, so chloride, but here you will put one prefix iso. Okay, so the common name of this compound is isopropyl chloride. If you don't know how to use the prefix, okay, I have made a video on the prefix. You can see the link in the description box below. Just check it out and know when to use the prefixes. Next example, CH3. So in this case you can see 2 halogens are present. In the previous case only 1 halogen is present, and here it is 2 halogen is present. Okay, so first work is just give the number on the alkane chain 1, 2, 3. What will be the IUPAC name of this compound? Haloalkane is the structure, so 2 halogen. Both halogens are present on the second carbon atom. So 2 dichloro, then 3 carbon atoms present in the alkane chain, so propane, 2 dichloropropane. Now what is the common name? What is the common name? The common name is isopropylidine dichloride. Now let me tell you in a single line that when will we use the iso. The prefix iso is used when all the carbons except one carbon form a continuous chain. That time we use iso. Now if you want to know more about the iso, you have to check out my video where I have discussed the prefixes, when to use which prefix. Okay, now move to the next example. Okay, this is a normal chain. Now give the number on the alkane chain 1, 2, 3 and 4. So what will be the common name? Normal alkane part comes first in the common name structure, so 4 carbon atoms, so it will be butyl and butyl, then halogen part chloride and butyl chloride. Okay, now what is the IUPAC name? IUPAC name will be, first come halo part, then come alkane part, so 1 chloro butane. Next see, you just see all the carbon chains are present in a normal chain except one carbon atom. All the carbons are present in a linear chain except this carbon atom, right? First work is to put the number on the alkane chain 1, 2, 3. Okay, so first we will find out the IUPAC name. So you can see here branch is present. One is chlorine, another one is methyl, right? So this chlorine is present at first carbon atom and the methyl group is added to the second carbon atom. Now say between these two branch, one is chlorine, that means the first letter is C, and the one is methyl, that means the first letter is M. So when more than one branch is present, we will write them according to the alphabetical order. Alphabetically C comes first, then M. So write this one first, 1 chloro, then 2 methyl. How many carbon atoms in the chain? 3. So propane. 1 chloro, 2 methyl, propane. This is the IUPAC name. Okay. Now what is the common name? So here all the carbon atoms are in one chain except this one. So this is iso structure. So iso. Now say except this. How many total carbon atoms are here? 4. Isobutyl, then halogen part, chloride. I hope you can understand this. If you have any problem, you can ask it in the comment section below. Now move to the next example. If the structure is like this way, then what will be the name? Suppose in case of IUPAC name, first we have to do the number. So give the number 1, 2, 3. Okay. You can also give 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 3. So on the second carbon atom, you can see two branch groups are present. Okay, 2 methyl groups are present. So, and in the one position and on the one carbon atom, on the first carbon atom and on the first carbon atom, halogen is present, that is chlorine. It is chloro, this is methyl, so alphabetically chloro will come first. So 1 chloro, then 2,2-dimethyl, because of two groups it is di. 2,2-dimethyl. Then in the main chain 3 carbon atoms, so propane. Okay, 1 chloro, 2,2-dimethyl, propane. Now let's find out the common name of this compound. Okay, so you just say, in the previous case we have used the iso prefix when only one carbon atom is out of the main chain. Okay, now here you can say two carbon atoms are out of the main chain. So in this case we will use the prefix neo. Okay, now accept this halogen. How many total carbon atoms are present in this compound? 1, 2, 3, then 4 and 5. So it is neo. For 5 carbon atom it is pentyl, then chloride. So it is neopentyl chloride. This is the common name. Next come so in this compound you can see here is the halogen part. Give number first to the carbon atoms of the alkane chain. So total 4 carbon atoms and you can see 2 branch are present. One is chlorine, another one is methyl. So alphabetically chlorine will come first. So the IUPAC name will be 1 chloro, 3 methyl, total 4 carbon, so butane. 1 chloro, 3 methyl, butane. Okay, now what is the common name? Again you just say all the carbons are present in a linear chain except one carbon atom. So in this case we will use iso prefix. Okay, then except this halogen, how many total carbon atoms are present? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So isopentyl chloride. So now move to the next example. Say the structure. Before finding out the IUPAC name, you have to give the number on the alkane chain. So here it is 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 carbon atoms, 2 branch, chlorine and methyl. So chlorine will comes first because of alphabetic order. So write 1 chloro, 2 methyl, 4 carbon atoms, so butane. The IUPAC name is 1 chloro 2 methyl butane. Now let's find out the common name. Common name structure is alkyl halide. So first write the alkane part. In the alkane part branch is present. So first write the branch 2 methyl, then alkane part butyl because of 4 carbon atoms, then halogen part chloride. Okay, 2 methyl butyl chloride.
Here it is not an iso compound because the branch methyl group is not present at the end of the chain.
CH2 double bond CH single bond Cl. Okay, so here you can say double bond is present. Okay, these two are sp2 carbon atoms and the halogen is added to the sp2 carbon atom. Okay, one of the sp2 carbon atom. So in this case, what will be the IUPAC name and what will be the common name? See, the IUPAC name structure we have learned, it is haloalkane. So this is halogen part, so chloro. Now you just see here, this is double bond, that means this is alkene part. So 1, 2, 2 carbon atoms. So this will be ethene. Okay, so it is chloroethene. And the common name will be vinyl chloride. Okay, so now again you see here I have used here vinyl. So when to use this vinyl? So see, when the halogen is added to sp2 carbon atom, that time we use the vinyl actually. Next example, CH2 double bond CH single bond CH2 Br. Okay, now in this structure you can say the double bond is here. These two carbons are actually sp2 carbon atoms and this is sp3 carbon atoms. Okay, and the halogen is added to the sp3 carbon atoms. That sp3 carbon atom which is further added to a sp2 carbon atom. What I said in this compound the halogen is added to a sp3 carbon atom and this sp3 carbon atom is further added to a sp2 carbon atom. This is sp2 because here double bond is present. Okay, so in this type of complex, what is the nomenclature? First we will know IUPAC name, give the number on the chain. Now from which side should we start the numbering? Right side or left side? 1, 2, 3 like this way or 1, 2, 3 like this way? Which one is the correct order of numbering? See here, the double bond is present and halogen is present. And double bond is present, we will give the first priority to the double bond. Okay, so if we start giving the numbering from the left hand side, the double bond will come first. Okay, so the correct order of numbering is 1, 2, 3. This, not this. This is not the correct order. Okay, so now say the bromine part is added to the third carbon atom. Okay, So write 3 bromo propene. The common name is allyl bromide. Now you can say in the previous case we have used vinyl, now we have used allyl. So when this allyl actually is used, when the halogen group is attached with the sp3 carbon atom which is further attached with the sp2 carbon atom, in that case we will use allyl. And when the halogen is directly attached with the sp2 carbon atom, that time we use vinyl. Okay. Now next, CHCl3. You can write this structure also like this way, 3Cl, right, and 1 hydrogen, like this way. So what is the IUPAC name? Only 1 carbon, right? So methane, 3 chlorine,
trichloromethane.
Now come to the common name. The common name is chloroform. Many of you have heard this name, chloroform. Next, CCl4. Now here 4 chlorine atoms are added to the carbon atom. So only 1 carbon atom means methane. So 4 chlorine. So we can say the IUPAC name of this compound is tetrachloromethane. Okay, tetrachloromethane. And what is the common name? Common name is carbon tetrachloride. Carbon tetrachloride. Next come CH3, CH2, CHCl. So in this case, what is the common name and what is the IUPAC name? So for IUPAC name, again give the number on the carbon atom, total 3, and in the 1 position 2 halogens are present. So 1 dichloro, in the main chain 3 carbon atoms, so propane. Okay, this is the IUPAC name. Now what is the common name? Alkylidine halide. Okay, see, when 2 halogens are present in 1 carbon atom, that time the common name structure is alkylidine halide. This is the common name structure. Okay, in the normal cases the common name structure is alkyl halide. When 2 halogens are present in 1 carbon atom, that time it is alkylidine halide. So here the common name will be propylidine, prop because 3 carbons, so propylidine chloride. Okay. Now say when 2 halogens are present in 1 carbon atom, we can also say it gem dihalide. Okay, gem dihalide. Gem dihalide. Remember this name, gem. Now come to the next example. Suppose CH3, CH, CH2, and here is one Cl and here is another Cl. Now see, here 2 halogen groups are present to the adjacent 2 carbon atoms. Okay, 2 adjacent carbon atoms, 2 halogen groups are present. So in that case, the common name will be same 2 halogens, so alkylidine halide. Here 1, 2, 3, so propylidine chloride, right? But the 2 halogens are present to the adjacent 2 carbon atoms, so here the prefix is vicinal
then
dihalide. Okay, or you can also write this dihalide. You have to remember this. Now move to the IUPAC name. Chlorine 1 position and 2 position. So 1 2 dichloro, total 3 carbon. So propane. So in this way you can find out the IUPAC name as well as the common name of the haloalkane. Okay, so if you have any doubt or any question, you can leave it in the comment section below. I will solve that problem. Thank you so much for watching my video, and if you like it, then don't forget to share it with your friends and also subscribe my channel. Thank you.